that help fulfill the desires and requests of this House by meeting for hundreds of hours each year. We are especially thankful for our outstanding CDA staff, led by our Executive Director, Peter Dubois, whose leadership and integrity has improved the state of our profession in California. 2010 marked a banner year for CDA. By understanding our members' needs, we were able to navigate through the intricacies and challenges of the legislative process in Sacramento, resulting in a number of landmark political and legislative victories for our organization and, more importantly, for our members. While other professional organizations experienced a net loss of membership this year, our net membership increase is a testament to the value we deliver to our members every year. Now, as we prepare to deliberate and establish the goals and direction of our organization and profession over the next 3 days, we ask for an endowment of wisdom to understand the complex and varied challenges facing the thousands of member dentists whom we represent in these economically challenging times. As 22 of our fellow 49 states consider legislative changes to dental workforce models, we would also ask for increased light and knowledge to understand more thoroughly the complexity of barriers to care and how best this body of delegates can secure dental care for the 10 million underserved Californians without disrupting the excellent care being received by the other 20 million citizens of our state. Now, in closing, we ask for a blessing to be upon all of us, that we'll have the courage to speak when necessary and to be silent when appropriate. We ask for our speaker, Dr. Felsenfeld, to be filled with inspiration and wisdom as he governs our discourse. And as we do the very important work of this House, we ask for a strengthened and renewed vigor to fill each of our hearts and minds with knowledge and objectivity as we go forth to uphold this organization's goals, meet our members' needs, and support our great profession. We look forward to the coming days and hope for the wisdom to provide guidance to our organization for the coming year. Thank you.